Alright, we eating these. We're eating them right here. Alright. Let's see. Wait, you ready? Try one.
Let's try one.
Hold this. Alright.
Let's time to try one. Let's see how hot these are.
5.
Okay.
Oh man, I'm gonna ask that drop one.
See how hot this goes. Oh, all at once. How hot is it? Is it
cinnamon?
How hot is it? Oh gosh, how hot is it?
It's not coming yet. It is now. God dang, it's burning my tongue. Look at my tongue.
Oh my gosh. What's going on?
5 minutes. 1, 2, 3. Let's spit it out. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Is it my turn now?
Yeah.
Okay.
God dang, you get to eat 6.
6?
Alright.
Why 6?
Oh my
Why
God.
6?
All of them one at once.
All of these.
One at once.
What?
You get that one. Here. Here.
Oh, we got one out. All at once, huh?
Put that in your hand.
Is it?
All at once. Put it all in your mouth.
Oh.
Yeah. And chew it. You don't taste the cinnamon first. See how hot is it. Keep it in 5 minutes. Kept it in like 5 minutes. I did.
Oh. Oh.
Oh my God. See how my mouth didn't burn so much because I ate hot sauce. Just spit them out. Spit them out. 1, 2, 3, 4.
My tongue's bleeding.
Fucking.
Oh.
It's dripping, idiot. Spit it out.
Okay. It's done.
God dang. Your tongue is not blue. God dang, look at mine. How bad is mine?
I don't know.
See you in the next video of jumping off the porch. See ya. Peace.